Hi everyone, it's me again, Roslyn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a while since the last time I did an unboxing vlog. So today we are going to unbox this DJI Neo 2. I'm very excited. Before we unbox this, I want you to know that I've been using drones since 2018, which is the DJI Mini 3. This one, I have the drone and the RC. So it's been a while. I've been using this a lot and I use it in the mountains, in the beach, in the city, everywhere I go. For my adventures, I always bring my DJI mini drone. And since all drones they easily update, guys, so I have decided that I want a new one. And this drone mini 3 has only sensor at the bottom. So I wanted to change my drone and I want an easy use, which is I choose this DJI Neo 2. Bye-bye, take a rest, but you'll stay with me, okay? Let's check out what's everything inside this box. And let's see if it's worth the upgrade for content creators and travel vlogger. Oh my god, I'm so happy and very excited for this because I've watched some reviews online and that reviews makes me buy this box. That review makes me upgrade my drone. That review makes me upgrade my drone. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, there's a QR code. Okay. Oh, this is the drone. So here it is. It's actually very light and very small. Here it is. Here's the drone. I felt like it's more lighter than my Mini 3. Oh my god, it's like half more lighter. I'm not sure with the grams. It's very light. Yeah. Another one. What? This is for the battery. This is the battery. I have a total of 3 batteries, 2 here and 1 more inside the drone. One thing I chose to buy Fly More combo, guys, it's because actually 1 battery is not enough and it's more hassle for me because I love to fly my drones. So I got 3 batteries to fly more, to get some extra time to fly more. No need to charge while walking. So right now, guys, I don't want to be more specific about this drone because I actually never review and I want to test it first. So I don't want to give any false or wrong information about this. I just want to do so I'm just going to do just literally an unboxing video and my impression about this. One thing I also noticed is the propeller is built-in guard. I don't know if how to remove this. I'm not really so sure yet. What else? We got the manual. We got the manual sticker and screwdriver for the propeller. We do have 2 extra propeller. Charger and silica gel. This one is very important for me. So all these silica gels is for the moist, so I always keep them inside the bags. So that's everything included inside the box of my new DJI Neo 2. Okay, let's try to open it. Okay. Okay. Same thing as my other drone or any other drone. 1 click and then 1 long press. And there, you can see the movement of the propeller. So there. Oh, one thing I have noticed is there's inactivated. It has a screen, small screen here. Yeah, charger. And also for this drone, you don't need an SD card or memory card because it has a 49 GB memory card. So that's all for today. Stay tuned because I'll be taking it out for its very first flight and sharing my real-world experience soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my journey. Bye!